Hello, children. Welcome back to Class 3 Environmental Sciences. Our friends, animal. Our friends, animal. The children in the class were startled on hearing the sound tuck. The sound came from the ceiling fan. Kalyani shouted, Look! Look, a bird is hurt! Peter got up at once and picked up the bird. It was in pain. Navjot and Ali quickly brought water in a bowl. Peter lovingly patted the bird. They held the bowl to the bird's beak. It drank a little water and slowly started flapping its wings. Navjot told all the children to move back. They noticed that the bird was trying to fly. In a while, the bird flew away. Children, in the class, there was some sound. Tuck. The sound came from the ceiling fan. And Kalyani shouted, Look, look, bird is hurt. Peter got up at once. And you know what happened? He picked up the bird. It was in pain because that fan hit this little birdie. Navjot and Ali quickly brought some water in a bowl, and Peter lovingly patted the bird. And they held the bowl to the bird's beak. It drank a little and started to flap its wings. Right, children? And then Navjot said, move back to all the children. And they noticed that this bird was trying to fly. In a while, this bird flew away. Now, next day, the children saw a bird circling above them. The next day, again, this little bird was circling in their classroom. The children tried to find out whether it was the same bird that was heard the previous day. They quickly switched off the fan and started to clap. These children are very clever, like you people. What they have done, they quickly switched off the fan. Now, put the sentences in the correct order. Peter lovingly patted the bird. The children saw a bird circling in their classroom. Navjot and Ali quickly brought water in a bowl. The bird flew away. The bird hurt itself with the fan. Children, first what happened? The children saw a bird circling in their classroom. So this will be the first point. And then what happened? The bird hurt itself with the fan. And then what happened? Navjot and Ali brought water in a bowl. Peter lovingly patted the bird. Navjot and Ali quickly brought water in a bowl. And then what happened? Peter lovingly patted the bird. And the bird flew away. Now, Shankar was very happy. A cat had given birth to 4 kittens in the courtyard of his house. One boy, Shankar, was very happy because a cat had given birth to 4 kittens. He started spending his free time with them. One morning, Shankar was woken up by cat's cry. Do you know why? Do you know how a cat cries? He ran towards the courtyard. He saw that the cat was crying and cuddling its 3 kittens. One of the kittens was missing. He went outside and found Malini patting a kitten. Shankar called Malini into his courtyard. Malini saw the cat crying. What do you think Malini would have done? Malini would have taken the kitten to its mother. Right now, children? Mm. Now, Boli is Minu's cow. Minu takes Boli to the field to graze daily. Boli is Minu's cow. One day, speeding scooter hit Boli and hurt her leg. One scooter hit her leg. The wound was bleeding heavily and it was bleed heavily. What will people in Minu's family do? Children, what do you think they will do? They will try to help. They will try to clean the wound and they will give medicine to the cow. Chandu Dhobi looks after his donkey very well. The donkey too does a lot of his work. Look at the pictures and try what are the things that Chandu does for his donkey. What is he doing here? He is giving bath to his donkey. He bathes his donkey. And then what is he doing here? He's feeding. He feeds him grass to eat. And then what about this? Yes, water. Gives him water to drink. And then puts a garland on him. Now, bird bath. Take a small earthen pot having a wide mouth. Tie the pot with a rope, see children, and hang it as shown in the picture. Pour some water in the pot and hang it on the branch of a tree or on a hook outside your house. Pour water in it every day. Observe which birds come to drink water. Now, like us, animals also need to live. There are many other things which are required by both animals and humans. Children, like us, even they require some things. Write the names of three such things. Children, what do we need? Yes, we need water. And then air. Yes, and sunlight. Very good. Who eats what? Match by drawing lines of different colors. One example is shown. Children, here this goat eats chapati, fruits, vegetables, and grass. Now let's see about rat. Rat, yes, rat eats chapati. Now, coming to human. Human being eats chapati, fruits, vegetables. Now, coming to the lizard. Children, what about lizard? Lizard will eat mosquito and ant. Coming to sparrow. What about sparrow? Even sparrow eats chapati, fruits, and vegetables. Right, children? And what about anything else? Did we leave anything? Yes, it also eats chapati. Sparrow also eats chapati. Okay. And snake eats lizard and also rat. Snake eats lizard and also rat. And that's it. The Queen's Garden. Read this picture and discuss in the class. The gardener has brought mangoes from the Queen's garden. So many mangoes? Good. Your Majesty, there would have been double the amount if the birds had not eaten them. So he said to the queen. Queen was very surprised to see the mangoes. So many mangoes, she was very happy. But this person said, Majesty, there would have been double the amount if the birds had not eaten them. The birds were eating, otherwise, the mangoes would have been double. What did you say? The birds have eaten the mangoes? Why did you allow the birds into the garden? No, she got angry. She said, the birds have eaten the mangoes? Why did you allow? Then this person said, please forgive me. I will not let any bird come into the garden. No, he said, please forgive me. I will not let any bird enter into the garden. Fewer mangoes. Then now next year, same, that person got mangoes. And she was surprised because she saw fewer mangoes than last year. Why did you not stop the birds from entering the garden? She got angry. She said, why you did not stop the birds? I stopped them, Your Majesty. I did not let a single bird. This person said, Your Majesty, I didn't allow any bird. But this year, the insects have eaten the mangoes. These insects have eaten the mangoes. Children, had birds been allowed, they would have eaten the insects. But what happened? The birds were not allowed to come. So what happened? The insects ate the mangoes. If there had been birds, then they would have eaten the insects. we would not have lost so many mangoes. She realized, yes, we would not have lost so many mangoes because had the birds been allowed, they would have eaten the insects. Okay, children, question and answers are posted in the group. Complete the question and answers and submit your work to the email gr@uohyd.ac.in. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.